is Samuel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change from dark mode to light mode on your Mac. So firstly go to System Preferences, and then at the top here it says General. Click on that, and then you can change your appearance. So you got light mode, dark mode, which is what I normally have it on, or you can have auto. But I have it on dark mode. So that's how you change the color effects, or that's how you change the appearance on your Mac. Wait, no one, please leave the video. I still got one more thing to show because the video took so short to film. So I'm going to show you another video so it goes a little longer. Since I'm on YouTube because the video would have gone really short if I just did how to change the color on the appearance on your Mac. So I'm going to show you how you change the YouTube appearance to like black, or to dark theme, to the lighter theme. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing you do is go onto your profile photo. So click on that, and then it says dark theme, and then you click on the blue circle, and you can change it to lighter theme or darker theme. I have it on darker theme. So that's how you change the themes on YouTube on your Mac. It probably will work on other computers, but I haven't tried that out. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and turn on notification so you won't miss out another video. I'll be filming tutorial videos from Monday to Friday, and then I'll be filming Fortnite on Saturday. But I probably will do maybe another video game, because I know not everyone likes Fortnite, so I might do like Minecraft or Roblox or something. But it depends. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all next time.